Hey guys, it's Bradley, welcome back. Today I've got a quick and sleazy video for you, so if that sounds like something you'd want to watch, stick around. Research it, mash it, boil it, ferment it, drink it, analyze it, share it. Home brewing is good. Alright guys, you remember a couple videos back, I shared 4 things I wish were different about my SS Brewtech unitanks. It turns out guys, SS Brewtech been listening, maybe not to me, but the community in general. Full disclosure, an item was sent to me here. One of these items I did not buy. It's this new SS Brewtech carb stone. If you compare it to the older stone, it's way bigger. It's probably triple the surface area. It's cleanable. The overall fit and finish of it is just way better. I've actually purchased my 2 old stones, the 2 unitanks, independent of each other and at different times. And they are both about the same level of just quality. They're not good. The stones, the surface on them arrived kind of battered and gnarled and mixed up. Conversely, the valves here have a little bit of wobble to them. They don't leak, but it's just not, it's not something, the leak in the valves, the wobble in the valves isn't something that feels premium. The new stone is actually a 3-piece design, if you will. It's got the carb stone itself, a top nut that holds it, and the body with the tri-clamp and the barb. It's just, you can just pull it right apart for cleaning and or to change the stone out if you decided this stone was damaged or you've dropped it. So yeah, there it is, disassembled. It's got 2 little silicone seals inside of it there. I wish it shipped with extras. This is something that you could easily lose when cleaning. That'd be a nice touch if they would include that. And to reassemble it, just simply start the little stainless steel threads, tighten it down, and this guy sits in a little channel. So that's awesome for cleaning. The fact that that stone is reusable is a nice touch. I'm actually pretty pleased with this. It's $35 or $37, I believe, on their website when I just checked the price. I think that's actually not a horrible price considering the premium they typically charge. I really think a new tank should be shipping with today, and if anyone has bought a tank from SS Brewtech since this has been released, whenever that was, should really get one of these separate if it's not in the box. Because the old stone it's inadequate, frankly. All right, guys, so that's it real quick. The new SS Brewtech carbonation stone. What do you think? Are you gonna get one? Are you gonna use one of the larger ones like I've switched to myself? Let me know in the comments below. I'll be back again real soon with another great video. Remember, this has been Bradley. Home brewing is good, and I'll see you real soon.